Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Consumer prices rose at a 1.3% rate in November, the highest monthly movement since September 2014. That's 5 years ago. Now, the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says the increase was a result of higher prices for food and gas. The November rate brings inflation for the last 12 months to 4.6%, which is in line with the 4 to 6% target set by the Bank of Jamaica. Business owners in Old Harbour, St. Catherine are hoping that things will pick up this Christmas as the government relaxes the restrictions of the state of emergency in the parish. But President of the Old Harbour Chamber of Commerce, Adrian Samuda, says it will take significant effort to get consumers to adjust to the changes. There's a rush to put Christmas plans in place in Old Harbour, St. Catherine to restore the town to its usual vibrancy. President of the Old Harbour Chamber of Commerce, Adrian Samuda, says before now, businesses were uncertain of what to do because of the limitations under the state of emergency.
Many persons, especially within the entertainment sector, would have started to promote for events from as early as October, September, but because of the uncertainty, you haven't seen much promotion going on. And Old Harbour is really known for entertainment and nightlife. A lot of persons have not been promoting, so I know we are going to get a major hit within this Christmas season.
The government has since announced plans to extend the opening hours for businesses during the Christmas season. But Mr. Samuda argues that the news may just be too late to make a difference.
Whilst we are happy about the extension or the lifting of the state of emergency for that 1 month period, psychologically, I believe that it's still going to be impacting consumers because consumers have now bought into the idea of not going out after 11 o'clock. So it will have some psychological effect within the short run.
At the same time, he says business owners are eager to see how much of the Christmas dollar they can get on the backdrop of a relatively poor year so far.
We have been having a bad last quarter for business, and I know other business owners within the area can give testimony to that. So we are hoping and praying that the last month within the year will be a better 1 month for us.
Now, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $134.47. The Canadian dollar is going for $102.61. The pound closed at $178.06, while the euro is being sold for $149.27. The JSE index gained 2,373 points today, and the junior market index advanced by 6 points. Among the winners were Lumber Depot, Mailpack, Productive Business Solutions USD shares, US dollar shares rather, Stanley Motor and QWI Investments. On the losing side were Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Pulse Investments, Stationery and Office Supplies, JMMB 7.5% and 138 Student Living. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.